Here we have Black Treacle Toffee Coconut Popcorn. Something I've just created. I don't know if you can get this kind. We're not bothered to look, but I've just done it. So you will need to put in a container in the microwave, however you want to cook it, on the stove, however you cook your popcorn. I did it in the microwave in a container with a little bit of oil, with a lid on, and it popped just fine in like 3 minutes. So choice is yours how you want to cook it. And those are the ingredients: the coconut, a teaspoon of black treacle, a good serving of toffee sauce, popcorn, the coconut, a good quantity of the coconut. Mix it all in, and when it cools down better, once it's hot, once it's cooled down, it'll be like that. Hope you enjoy it. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.